Hey, what's going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 6 against the Google Pixel 2 XL. Both of these phones are on Oreo. The Mi 6 is on 8.0 and the Pixel 2 XL is on 8.1. So let's get started. Kicking off this test is going to be the fingerprint unlocking, and the Mi 6 seems to be first. We'll do that again. Yes, and the Mi 6 unlocks first. As you can see, there are no apps running in the background. And the first app to be opened is the camera app, and they both open at the same time. Next is the browser test, and I will be going to the Verge website. And they both loaded at the same time, including the adverts. Next is Hot UK deals, and they both opened up at the same time. Adobe Photoshop, and they open up at the same time. Microsoft Word, and I'll open up a template. The Pixel 2 XL was fractionally faster here. YouTube, and I'll play the same video, and they're playing at the same time. And the first game will be Horizon Chase. Which replaced Asphalt Extreme. And they both loaded to the title screen at the same time. Super Mario Run. Ready to play it on the Mi 6. What's important here is which one runs it first, and that's the Pixel 2 XL. Skyforce. Okay, so the logos are loading at the same time. Yep, it's about the same time. And as usual, I'll let that game run in the background. Sonic Forces. And that is faster on the Mi 6. Right now the scores are neck and neck. Spider-Man Unlimited, and the Mi 6 has taken the lead, and that was fast. And the last game, Temple Run 2. Can the Pixel 2 XL redeem itself? And no, it couldn't, so the Mi 6 has taken the lead here. So round 1, the Mi 6 has won it by 2 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. And as you can see, all the apps and games are in the background. And I will be starting off with Temple Run 2. And they are both open in the background, or RAM. Spider-Man Unlimited, and the same here. Sonic Forces, and they are both open. Skyforce, once again they are both open. Super Mario Run, and again they are open in RAM. Horizon Chase. Okay, and the Pixel 2 had to restart. YouTube. So the Mi 6 was faster, whereas the Pixel 2 XL was playing the video. Microsoft Word. Restarting on the Pixel 2 XL. Photoshop. And the app is refreshing on the Pixel 2 XL. UK deals, and it was slightly slower on the Pixel 2 XL, the browsers, and it was slower again on the Pixel 2 XL, and finally the camera app, and that opened up faster on the Mi 6. Moving on to the Geekbench 4 test, both of these phones are on the latest update at the time of recording, so I'm just going to cut this part short so we can get straight to the results. The Mi 6 finished at 4 minutes with the Pixel 2 XL 9 seconds later. The Mi 6 also scored higher, especially on the multi-core score with more than 400 points. And the last part is the compute test, and just as before I'm going to cut it short to get straight to the results. Again, the Mi 6 finished earlier by 3 seconds, and the score is also higher by more than 300 points. So that is the end of the speed test comparison, and the Mi 6 won it overall. In round 1 it won by 2 points, however when it came to round 2 it won by 7 points, and that is hugely thanks to the 2 gigs of extra RAM, and it's a shame that the Pixel 2 XL did not come with 6 gigs of RAM. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then do consider subscribing, as I will be having much more content coming up, including comparisons with the Galaxy S9 Plus, which includes camera tests and speed tests. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.